Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm happy to be putting up another video. In this video, I'll be reviewing just how well TTD-Eye colored contact lenses effectively cover my brown eyes. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see how well the eye color coverage really is. For every pair of lenses you order, you're sent a nifty contact case, a pair of contact tweezers, and an applicator. Make sure when you're putting in your contacts you start off with clean hands, or just when you're doing anything that involves your face. Just clean your hands. Be clean, people. So here I start off with my beautiful brownies. So the first lens I'm going to try out is Polar Lights Gray. I'm just going to pop that right in there. On me, these contacts come out as a darker gray. On the website, when ordering, the contacts are of course modeled on a lighter colored eye, so they're going to appear light gray, of course, but on my eyes they are dark gray. Aside from the color, these contacts are pretty damn comfortable to wear, actually. You kinda don't feel them after you get used to them. Overall, I do like this shade and they do look fairly natural. Next, I have in the shade Real Khaki, and I think these are probably my favorite ones. The color is a really pretty olive green with yellow undertones, and I love the fact that it has a dark green limbal ring, which is that dark ring around the iris of the eye. I feel like it really just makes the eye more visually appealing and attractive. I also really love just how natural these look. They remind me of my girlfriend's eyes, but of course hers are a billion times better because they're real. I think these are hands down my favorite contact lens color that I've ever worn out of the contacts that I've ever gotten since I started wearing contacts, to be honest. Next I have in the shade Egypt Brown. It has a very pretty olive green gray with a hint of yellow color. If you have a lighter iris, I'm sure the color will appear more yellow because the contact itself is yellow, but on my eyes they're olive green gray. Interesting. There's also like a darker gray edge around the contact, so it makes the color appear a little bit brighter. Okay, I think I might just love these just as much as the Real Khaki. Oh my gosh, I am torn. It's just a really sexy, sultry color on darker eyes. Okay, so this one is Real Aqua. It is similar to the Real Khaki with the darker outer limbal ring, this one being dark blue. The iris shade looks like it is gray with a little bit, just a little bit of green added to it. I really do like this shade of blue contacts. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark, it's not overwhelming, it doesn't look like it's fake. It's really pretty natural. I like it. Like, this shade reminds me of the color of my sister's eyes, depending on what she's wearing for the day. This is probably one of the few times I can actually say I finally look like my sister. We're half sisters, but we have a lot of similar facial features, like the chin for example, but now the eyes. Michaela, I'm coming for you, sis. I think I honestly love this contact color more now because they remind me of my sister. Okay, last color is the Polar Lights Yellow Green, which is really strange to me because when I put them on my eye, it's gray. Granted, it did say that this color was recommended for those with a light iris, so maybe that's why the color is so significantly different than the picture, but it doesn't even look remotely green in any sense of the word at all. Maybe just a tiny, not even, they look gray. They're pretty though, they're cute. So yes, definitely for those with a lighter iris, anything lighter than hazel, possibly, because the contact itself is yellow-green, but when in my eye, it's gray, so it makes no sense. So yeah. So overall, I do really like these contacts, my favorite being between the Real Khaki and the Egypt Brown. As long as you take care of these contacts, they are yearly, so they can last up to a whole year with proper care. I can also comfortably wear these all day without them feeling dry, which is very nice. Because a lot of contacts I wear, they tend to feel dry after a few hours of wear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, for all those who tune in and support me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on IG if you're not already. Until next time, Maly-Cats.